how to turn images into Ghibli portrait. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Talks. Today I'm going to show you how we can turn our images into Ghibli portraits. Amidst all the chaos that Ghibli portraits has caused in Instagram, let's learn how to make it too. First, open your preferred browser. Here I'm opening Google Chrome. Now on the URL typing option, type chatgpt.com. Once you're on ChatGPT's screen, if you have an account already, log into your account, or if you don't have one, hit the sign up from your top right. Once you're on your sign up account, there will be a lot of options to sign up. You can just simply click on continue with Google. Select your Gmail account with which you want to log in and click continue, and you will be getting started on ChatGPT. Once you're logged in on your ChatGPT screen, you can see plus button under Ask Anything. Tap on it and hit Upload Files. Now select the picture that you want to convert into Ghibli portrait picture. Now type turn this picture into Ghibli-style portrait and hit Done. Now you just wait for a while till the ChatGPT generates the picture, and after a few minutes your Ghibli style portrait will be ready. This is the portrait generated by my prompt. This is how it looks. Now let's compare it to the original picture. You can just hit save button from the top right and it will be downloaded to your computer. Let's compare the two pictures. This is a Ghibli style portrait created by the ChatGPT, and this was the original picture. It is quite similar and there is some resemblance. And that's it. That is how you create Ghibli style portraits. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more similar tech content.